What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing an outdoor wash on our maintenance customer. As you can see here, we have a Lexus GX550 and it has a little bit of bugs on it. As normal, this is the time of the year where we get lots of bugs here in the roads and our cars get covered in bugs. So we have this black Lexus that is here for maintenance. We are going to go ahead and wash the exterior and vacuum the interior and make it look nice and clean for the customer. So stick around and I'm going to go ahead and show you my process in taking care of maintenance customer. All right, so right here what I'm doing is I'm just adding a pre-treatment to the wheels. That way, before we even do a contact on the wheels, I'm going to try to remove as much grime from the wheels, as these are very premium and we don't want to go ahead and scratch them. So what I'm using here is an APC. Oh yeah, you can see all that stuff working already. All right, it's going to remove all that gunk from the wheels, and then we're going to go ahead and touch them up, and then we're going to have some nice looking wheels right after. Now while we let the wheels do its thing, we're going to go ahead, now I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of some bug off. Now this product works great for bugs. What it will do with this formulation is just going to go ahead and just melt those bug guts, so that way when I go ahead and rinse off, it'll be so much easier to remove. Okay, so the auto shampoo that I'm going to be using today is CarPro Reset. This is a great shampoo that can be used in foam cannon or in the bucket or both, and it's designed for ceramic coated vehicles. It has great lubricity when washing and pH neutral, so it's not going to harm your ceramic coating. And as you guys can see here, has very thick suds. Just look how easy it is to rinse off this auto shampoo. This comes right off. No streaking, no smearing. Coating. Now this car is protected by Gyeon CanCoat. I'm gonna tell you guys, this coating is amazing. For mobile detailers, this is like a must-have, guys. It's easy application, outdoor friendly, and just look at that beading, guys. Look at that. That's just amazing. And the best part about it, durable protection. Now this car was coated, I believe, in the beginning of this year, so in January. And you guys can look here. CanCoat is like, seems like it was just applied yesterday. It's still strong. It's been about almost 6 months, and there is like zero signs of it wearing off. So if you guys are interested in learning more about that product, about CanCoat, I'm going to leave the link down below. Check it out, guys. I'm telling you, if you're a mobile detailer, you'll be a fool if you pass this product, especially if you're trying to grow your business as a ceramic coating business. Yeah, you're going to need this product. All right, guys, so we are done with the exterior process, guys. We did the wheels, we did the exterior paint, we washed it. We used CarPro Reset, a great auto shampoo to cleanse the paint. And guys, look at this. The ceramic coating is still intact. That is because CarPro Reset is a pH neutral shampoo, although it is very concentrated, which we only use 1 ounce of product in the foam cannon and 1 ounce in the bucket. So pretty much 2 ounces to do this vehicle. That is incredible. It pretty much cleansed the paint. We have no more bugs, no more dirt, and the ceramic coating, look at this, guys, still beading, still working perfectly. The can coat still intact. So since I am using a DI water, I'm just gonna go ahead and let this sit, and it's just gonna dry itself, leaving a pristine finish. And we're gonna go ahead and follow that up. So while it's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and take care of my tools. I'm gonna wash my brushes, do all that I need to do, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the inside. And then by that time, we're gonna have a nice, clean, dry exterior. So let's go ahead and get that started. Hi, it's Woody. Good job. Okay, so what I'm using here is the interior detailer. Now this is perfect for light to moderate vehicles, and it's perfect for maintenance customers. Now the reason why I'm using this is because the interior is not in a bad condition. It's pretty good. It's a new car, and the customer so far has been keeping it pretty good. Now there is a few little dirts here and there, you know, a little bit of some printing from the shoes, you know, from the kids, you know, putting their feet up. Other than that, everything else is pretty good to go. So we're using an interior detailer. Now this has some added protection to it as well. So it does have some anti-static in it. It has some UV protection, smells great, and it leaves a nice finish. So it's not gonna leave a greasy look. It's not gonna even leave it shiny really. It's just gonna give it a nice bold OEM finish. As you guys can see here, no smearing, no smudges. It just leaves a nice, fresh, clean look. All right, guys, so here are the results, and it looks good here. Tires are nice and clean. Exterior looking nice and shiny. Also has that protection of that ceramic coating still. This is the final results that we get while using DI water, CarPro Reset, and your car being ceramic coated by Gyeon CanCoat. So guys, I'm gonna leave the description down below on everything that I use. So if you guys enjoy these type of videos, make sure you guys give a thumbs up. Make sure you guys share this video, and I will catch you guys on the next one.